Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide comments in Instagram Live as a viewer quickly and easily. Whether you want to enjoy a distraction free viewing experience or just prefer not to see the comments, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, let's open your Instagram. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now find the live stream you want to watch. This can be from your feed or by tapping on someone's profile picture if they're live. Once you're in the live stream, you'll see the comments flowing at the bottom. To hide these comments, simply tap on the screen once. This will bring up the option to hide comments. You'll notice a small icon that looks like three dots in the comment section. Tap on that and you'll see the option hide comments. And just like that, the comments will disappear, giving you a clean, unobstructed view of the live stream. If you ever want to see the comments again, simply tap on the screen and select show comments. It's that easy. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy live stream without any distractions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.